Subtraction. Spiral learning. Knowing about subtraction with regrouping. Subtraction of three-digit numbers. Subtraction of large numbers. Estimating the difference. Properties of subtraction. Subtraction is taking away of a number from another. The result of subtraction is called the difference. The symbol for subtraction is minus. 5 balloons minus 2 balloons is equal to 3 balloons. 16 bees minus 12 bees is equal to 4 bees. Subtraction with regrouping. Borrowing from tens. Borrowing from hundreds. Borrowing from tens and hundreds. Subtraction facts. 1. Smaller number is subtracted from the greater. 2. 0 subtracted from a number is the number itself. 3. 1 subtracted from a number is its predecessor. Hots. We often need to subtract numbers quickly. Let us learn some methods for subtracting numbers mentally. Shriltha had made 56 paper flowers by quilling. She has given away 32 flowers to her teacher for decorating the display board. How many paper flowers are she left with? Quick mental addition. 1. By breaking up place values. 56 minus 32. 56 minus 30 is equal to 26. 26 minus 2 is equal to 24. 56 minus 32 equals 24. Vansh collected 64 pebbles from the river bed. He painted 48 of them. How many are left unpainted? Quick mental addition. 2. By counting from smaller number to bigger. 48 to 50 is 2. 50 to 60 is 10. 60 to 64 is 4. 2 plus 10 plus 4 is equal to 16. Quick mental subtraction. 3. Using the hundreds chart. 76 minus 35 is equal to 41. Subtraction of three-digit numbers. Subtraction is done by subtracting each digit of the smaller number from that of greater number in the same place starting from ones. If a digit of smaller number is greater than the digit from which it is being subtracted, one place value is borrowed from the place value on the left. In this way, digits at different places may be regrouped. 1 tens, regrouped as 10 ones. 100, regrouped as 10 tens. Example 1. Tanvi scores 583 in a game and Ishan scores 471 in it. Who scores more and by how much? Solution. 583 minus 471, 112. Tanvi scores more by 112. No regrouping is needed. Example 2. There are 852 passengers in a local train. 626 get off before the last station. How many passengers get off at the last station? Solution. 852 minus 626 is equal to 226. Passengers get off at the last station. Tens regrouped as ones. Example 3. For a school picnic, 325 packets of food were prepared for students. But only 294 students attended the picnic. How many food packets were left? Why should food not be wasted? Solution. 325 minus 294 is equal to 31. 31 food packets were left. Hundreds regrouped into tens. Example 4. Two groups of students were taken to a strawberry field to pluck strawberries. The FERST group plucked 457 strawberries while the other plucked 289 strawberries. Which group plucked more and by how much? Solution. 457 minus 289 is equal to 168. The first group plucked 168 strawberries more. Hundreds regrouped to tens and tens regrouped to ones. VBE. Value-based education. Do you know many poor children do not get food? And many other children waste food. Discuss with your teacher why food should not be wasted. Subtraction of large numbers. Large numbers are also subtracted by subtracting digits of same place values, starting from ones. Example 1. Without regrouping. 7,482 minus 4,136 is equal to 3,322. Regrouping thousands to hundreds. If the hundreds digit of the greater number is less than that of the smaller number, we borrow 1,000 from the left. 1,000 is regrouped as 10 hundreds. Example 2. Find the difference of 6,196 and 3,575. Solution. The digit in hundreds, 1, smaller than the lower digit, 5. 1,000 is borrowed, leaving behind 5,000. 100 becomes 1100 and now subtraction is possible. Estimating the difference. Estimation means finding a calculated number close to the actual answer. To estimate the difference, first we round off the subtrahend and minuend to the nearest tens or hundreds and then subtract them. Rounding off makes it easier to subtract mentally and quickly. Shelja has painted 7 flowers. How many more should she paint to get 20 in all? What is the difference between these distances? Example 1. Estimate the difference of 32 and 68. Solution. Rounding of the nearest tens, we get 32 rounding of the nearest tens 30 and 68 rounding of the nearest tens 70. Estimated difference. 70 minus 30 is equal to 40. Actual difference. 68 minus 32 is equal to 36. Estimated difference and actual difference may not be the same. An estimated difference is easier to find and gives a fair idea of the actual difference. Example 2. There were 488 migratory birds in a sanctuary. Due to the warm weather, 229 birds flew away. Estimate how many birds are left. Round off to nearest hundreds. Solution. Rounding off to nearest hundreds, we get 488 rounding off to nearest hundreds is 500. And 229 rounding off to nearest hundreds is 200. Estimated difference. 500 minus 200 is equal to 300. Let's do. Example. 6,750 kilograms of wheat was stored in a godown. 1,245 kilograms was spoilt because of rain. Estimate the amount of wheat which was not spoilt. Round off the nearest hundreds. Solution. Rounding off to the nearest hundreds. 6,750 rounding off to nearest hundreds is 6,800. And 1,245 rounding off to nearest hundreds is 1,300. Estimated difference 6,800 minus 1,300 is equal to 8,100. Integrated learning. What are migratory birds? Have you seen them or heard about them? If so, where? What can be done to properly protect grains from getting spoiled? Why do you think it is important to save them? Properties of subtraction. A number subtracted from itself gives 0. Example. 7 minus 7 is equal to 0. 231 minus 231 is equal to 0. 0 subtracted from a number gives the number itself. Example: 165 minus 0 is equal to 165. HOTS. Recall the commutative property of addition. Why is subtraction not commutative? Can 760 minus 450 be same as 450 minus 760? Why? Lab activity. Subtraction by using buttons. Collect buttons of 4 colors and keep them in 4 separate bowls. Thousands. Red. Hundreds. Green. Tens. Blue. Ones. White. Now let us perform this subtraction. 6375 minus 3564. 1. Draw a rectangle with 4 equal parts on a paper. Name them H, T and O. Place as many buttons in these equal parts by color to form 6375. 2. To subtract 3564, let us remove buttons from this rectangle from each place value one by one. Ones, 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. From 5 white buttons remove 4, 1 is left. Tens, 7 minus 6 is equal to 1. From 7 blue buttons remove 6, 1 is left. Hundreds, 3 minus 5, not possible. Borrow 1 red button from thousands. Now, 13 minus 5 is equal to 8. Replace 1 red and 3 green buttons by 8 green buttons. Thousands, 6 is greater than 5 after borrowing of 1000. 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. From 5 red buttons remove 3. 2 are left.